Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to use the points report feature to quickly generate a report of CGS points and either export it to Excel or insert it directly into your drawing as a table. So, first, click on the points report icon in the ribbon. Then, select the CGS points directly in the drawing and press enter. The points report table dialog opens, where you can see all the data related to the selected points. You can either leave the points as they are or sort them by text or numbers. To do this, simply click on any gray cell in the header. For example, if you click on the X cell, the table will be sorted by the X coordinate. In the next step, you can export the table. There are two export options. You can export to an Excel spreadsheet, or you can insert the table directly into the drawing. Let's first look at the Export to Excel option. After clicking the Export to Excel icon, a dialog opens where you choose where to save the file. Once saved, the Excel file will open automatically. Now, let's return to the drawing and take a look at the other option called Draw Report Table in Drawing. Click anywhere in the drawing to place the table, and it will be inserted at that location. If we zoom in, we can see the table with all the point data. Now, I'd like to show you one more thing, the option to create a custom table format inside the points report table dialog. Click the plus button to add a new format. At the top, enter a name for your custom table. Then click Set Data. A new dialog appears where you define which data should be shown in each column. You can also enter a custom label for any column. For example, let's say you want to display the X, Y, and Z coordinates and an additional column for labels. Once you're finished, click OK. This custom table can now be exported to Excel or inserted directly into your DWG drawing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can organize, export, and present point data exactly the way you need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.